What's the meaning of boondocks? Boondocks. Boondocks.
Boondocks. Boondocks. The term boondocks refers to a remote or isolated area. It is often used to describe a place that is far away from civilization and lacks modern amenities. The word originated from the Tagalog language spoken in the Philippines during the time of American colonization, where it means mountain. Since then, the term has been widely used in American English as slang to refer to rural or wilderness areas. Whether referring to a forgotten corner of a city or a cabin in the woods, the boondocks represents a kind of rugged isolation that can be appealing to some and daunting to others.